Now children, today I am going to start this in the second video. Let us begin. How to enter data in the table. In the previous session we have learned how to insert table in MS Word. We have learned different methods. Now how to enter data inside the table. So the steps to enter the data in the table are: first you click inside the cell wherever you want to insert the data. So click and you see the cursor appeared here. So now you type your data. Suppose I am typing roll number. Now if you want to move in the next column, next cell, which key we will press? Tab key. So you see it will come in the next column. Now I will type name. Again, if you want to move, you can even press right key also if you want to move in right. So now I will type here city, and next I will press the tab key and go and type here marks. So this way you can enter data in the table. Now I am going to fill the data again here. 1, 2, 3, and name I'll write Rashi. Then I'll type some other name, Pooja, and one more name, Neha. So this way you can fill the data inside the table. Now children, if you want to move back, now I want to come from this cell to previous cell. So you can press the shift plus tab key. So it will come back in the previous cell. Or you can also press left key also, left arrow key. That also bring you in the previous cell. Now children, I want to tell you about moving and resizing a table. As you see in the topmost left corner, this four-headed arrow is coming in one box, and in the right hand side here in the down in the corner one more square box, empty square box is coming. So it has some purpose. So what? To move a table, sometimes we want to move our table from one place to others. So what you can do, click on the table, then you notice plus sign. This you can see, as soon as I press the left mouse button, this plus arrow, four-headed arrow will appear on the left hand top corner. This is called move handle. What it is called? Move handle. Place the mouse pointer on the table move handle and drag the table wherever you want. Suppose I want to bring it little down. So now release the mouse button. Your table is placed down. Now I want to bring little more down. So this way you can see I have shifted my table here. So this is called moving a table with the help of table move handle. Now resizing a table. Sometimes you want to resize your table. So how can you resize the table? Click on the table again and just you will notice a small square. Can you see the small square in the right side bottom corner of the table? This small square is known as resize handle. What it is called? Resize handle. Move the mouse pointer on the table resize handle. You will see a double-headed arrow on it, on this square. Now drag the table to the desired size by pressing the left mouse button. Keep on pressing the left mouse button and release the mouse button when you get the desired size. Suppose I want to make it size like this way. So this is called resizing a table. So I hope children, all of you understand resizing and moving the table. Now formatting a table. How can you format a table? A table inserted in MS Word can be formatted in many ways. Formatting means changing the appearance of the table to enhance its look. The formatting is done by using two tabs. As soon as you see, I click the mouse here inside the cell, two tabs appear automatically, design and layout. That appear, then these tabs also appear when the cursor is, this will go away when your cursor is outside the table. As soon as you click inside in the table, these two tabs appear here, design and layout. So changing the table style. How can you change the table style? Table style is used to apply different designs to a table. It makes table more attractive. To change table style of the table, so what you have to do, click the table, then click the design tab, select the layout from the, and there are many layouts are present in the table styles group. Now you choose any one of it. Suppose I choose this. So you see the table is changed in that style. If I want to change in some different style, so I can change it in different style. So this will you get from the design tab, table style group, and you can create your table in your desired way. Now children, we will learn also how to insert extra row or column in the table. So what you have to do, just select, as soon, suppose you want to insert a column. So what you can do, as soon as you see, keep your mouse on the top of the column wherever you want to insert the column. The cursor will change into one down black arrow. Now you just click simply the table, the column will be selected. Press the right mouse button and say insert. Then it will ask you many options. Insert column to the left, insert columns to the right. So you choose whatever you want. Suppose I want to say in right. So you can see one column is added here. This way you can add the columns in the table. Suppose I want to insert any row here, extra row over here. So what I can do, simply here just select the cell or column and again right click, then say insert. Then it will ask you insert rows above or insert rows below. So here I want above, so I'll just choose the above option. You see one row is automatically inserted. So this way you have learned how to move, resize the table, how to format the table, how to insert the extra column and row in the table. Thank you children. Now you do practice.